Learners don't know all the instructors in their local area, so what's Gyru's solution? List all of the instructors close to you. Many learners hear of instructors through word of mouth, but the chemistry may not be there between an instructor and driver. So what's Gyru's solution? Block bookings of different instructors so that you can find the correct spark. Sometimes timing is the issue. Your availability won't match with some instructors. So what's Gyru's solution? Our instructors constantly update their availability. You can see their schedule for the next 30 days at any time. Suddenly find yourself with some free time and want to make the most of it? Well, you can drive anywhere, not necessarily near your home. Find the best instructors right here, right now. Sometimes you may feel you are not getting the duration you paid for. Now you can keep a record of your learning time. Instructors may travel far for a single lesson, costing fuel and time. So what's Gyru's solution? Why waste fuel? Find the learners local to you. You may not remember details of all your previous lessons. So what's Gyru's solution? You can recap your memory of lesson history.